Hey guys, it's Rare Song 23 here, and today I'm going to sing Sparks Fly by Taylor Swift. I don't know if I sang this yet, but I'm just going to sing it. So here it goes. The way you move is like a four-armed waiting still, and I'm a house of cards, and you're the kind of reckless that you send me running, but I kind of know that I won't get far, and you stood there in front of me just close enough to touch, close enough to hope you couldn't see what I was thinking of. Drop everything now, kiss me in the pouring rain, kiss me on the sidewalk, take away the pain, 'cause I see sparks fly every inch of mine. Give you equal sweet loves, baby, as the lights go down. Something in your heart when you come around. I see sparks fly every inch of mine. Give you equal sweet loves, baby, as the lights go down. Something in your heart when you come around. I see sparks fly every inch of mine. So that's me singing Sparks Fly by Taylor Swift. Hope you like it. Bye.